this is another one of the Play-Doh Town videos, and this one is a hairdresser set. Yeah, so let's open it. I'm gonna get everything out. So I'm gonna get these utensils out. Here we have purple scissors. We have a little comb with 2 molds. We have a hair dryer, which is an extruder. We have a girl with a little bow. Then we have this. I think it's the chair, and then the little bird goes in there. We grow his hair. It's an extruder. Then we have our Play-Doh. We have orange Play-Doh. We have a mini pink one. And we also have purple. So the first thing I'm gonna get out the Play-Doh, and so let's get started. So the first thing, I'm going to make her curls with using this. I'm gonna use a bird, and I'm gonna take out the curls and use them. So I'm going to use purple curls because my favorite color is purple. So I'm going to press. Cool. I'm gonna take them out, kind of twist them. So I'm gonna put some Play-Doh in here first so it can stick to the curls. I'm gonna put it on. I'm just gonna do this with the rest. Now I'm going to make some pink curls. Great, so let's press. Now I'm going to use the extruder, and we're going to use pink. I'm just going to press. And I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to curl them and put them in your hair. So here she is. Now I'm just going to make the star mold on her shirt, and I'm going to be using orange. There's one star. Let's make the smaller one. I'm going to put them in her hair. The little hair clips. Now we're just going to use the pink to decorate her shirt. Okay, so I decorated her dress, her shirt. So now I'm going to decorate the bow. So let's put on her hand, right there. So I'm going to make a cookie for the bird, and I'm going to use orange. So I'm going to press. Let's get it out. So I'm going to fill the star right here, just to decorate it. Now I'm going to make the bird's hair, and I'm going to make it purple. I'm going to fill it. Now I'm going to decorate the comb. The heart's going to be pink. I'm going to put the sides. I'm going to make it orange. Alright, so there it is. Now I'm going to do the hair dryer. Alright, so here is everything I need. And my favorite is the little comb in the bird's hair. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!